bro. America. Sick. America.
No! It just took out the pipe, bro.
No, brother. Bro.
What happened?
The combobulator.
The combobulated?
And
bro,
then,
are you fucking serious? Bro, I told you guys to just fix the combobulator with the combustion motor. The alternator needs a new exhaust, battery combustion without the exhaust delete.
bro, look at Gus. He doesn't look happy.
Just hella sad.
Mood right now.
He's like Ben Affleck smoking the cigarette on the patio. Yeah, fuck you guys.
Here we go, fellas.
You're gonna try on this?
We're gonna try on this 450 cc of pure fury right here. Here we go!
Here we go!
Insane.
Insane motherfucker.
Like, what the fuck?